Hi, it's Mark here from Australia. I'm just giving a review for Forex Beginners run by Saad Ali. I found this course to be absolutely amazing and it's a free course. 7 or 8 years ago, I studied some other courses. I bought into some other courses. I bought 2, 3, 4, 5 books. Did a whole lot of analysis, but couldn't really understood it, but couldn't really put everything together. And plus not having the correct mindset and then not putting everything together just led me to moving away from something I really enjoyed, but I just wasn't able to put it all together. This training breaks it down. It breaks it down and puts all of the components together in a simple form so you can understand it, and it's free.